Hi, I'm Piers, Field Applications Engineer at Enphase Energy. Today I'm with Andy and we're going to take you through the Enphase storage system. Andy, what experience have you had with storage systems?
Well, Piers, we've installed a number of off-grid battery storage systems and a number of domestic and solar grid connected systems, but these systems being new to the market, we haven't actually had an opportunity to install one yet. So we're looking forward to seeing how simple and straightforward they are.
This is the Enphase equipment we'll be working with today. Right here we have three 450mm backing plates. These are a steel backing plate with a steel junction box. They have 20 and 25mm knockouts, both in the bottom of the box and also in the back. So you can run the cabling exterior or through the wall. This is the Envoy S metered. It's the heart of the system and it monitors the generation, consumption and storage. It does that by using CTs installed along here, and these are the CTs that can be installed. Generally one CT for solar and one CT for consumption in the household. This unit as well has inbuilt Wi-Fi and it also has an Ethernet port at the bottom there. Today we've got three of these Enphase AC battery units. They're 1.2 kilowatt hours, and in this case we're installing 3 units. These are some covering plates that go on the bottom of the AC battery that complete the installation. Thank you for joining us today. As you can see, the Enphase home energy solution is quick and easy to install. Andy, thank you for your time. For further information, please have a look at enphase.com/au.